Greenhouse or cold frame. These structures provide a protective environment for your plants, shielding them from frost, heavy rainfall, and cold winds. Thermal blankets or row covers. Made of lightweight fabric, these covers protect plants from frost and cold temperatures. They allow sunlight and water through, but they trap warmth. Heating mats or soil cables. They provide warmth to the root zone of plants, promoting root growth and preventing soil from freezing. Grow lights. During the shorter days of winter, these lights supplement the natural sunlight, ensuring plants get the required amount of light for growth. Thermometer. Monitoring the temperature inside the greenhouse or under row covers is crucial to ensure plants are not exposed to freezing temperatures. Ventilation. Proper ventilation prevents humidity buildup, which can lead to mold and mildew problems. Automated vent openers can help maintain optimal temperatures. Drip irrigation system. During winter, overwatering can lead to root rot due to slower evaporation rates. A drip system provides consistent and controlled water to plants. Mulch. Straw, leaves, or wood chips can be used to insulate the soil, keeping it warm and preventing it from drying out. Watering can with a long spout. This helps in watering plants without wetting their foliage, which can cause them to freeze. Sturdy containers with drainage holes. If you're not planting directly in the ground, choose containers that won't crack in cold temperatures and ensure they have adequate drainage. Remember to choose winter-hardy vegetable varieties and regularly monitor the weather to make any necessary adjustments to protect your plants. Thanks for watching and subscribe.